This is the DJI Osmo Nano, and today I'm using everything that comes with it to film this vlog. Not everything, but like almost all the extra stuff that came with the camera when I got it. Yes, this is not a sponsored vlog. I did buy this camera cash, contant with my mullah. So DJI has nothing to do with this video, but this is just me showing you guys how I've been using this camera. Let's get right into it. I'm currently filming on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so I do own this and the Osmo Pocket 3, so which I feel is a good combination because this is more of an action-ish camera. You can go underwater with it, and with my Osmo Pocket 3, you actually cannot. So yeah, from the first day of using this camera, I'd say that social anxiety is afraid of me, darling. But honestly,
people are looking at me, are they? They're not. Are you guys looking at me? You guys are not, right?
Honestly,
I'm just vlogging.
being for real, like actually it does eliminate my, the social anxiety, and that's basically because it's tiny. As you guys can see, it's very tiny. This is the actual camera and this is the vision dock where you can actually see yourself as you record. So let me just show you guys what I mean by that. This is where you can see yourself as you record. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Guys, I am back. It's another day. This is me. This is my OOTD. This is where I am. I'm trying to see if there's a gym here. Anything I could panic and I'm why you panic.
Okay, so first things first. Okay, so this vlog was filmed on D-Log M and 4K at 24 frames per second.
Never.
Ooh.
Yes, something you can post there on the neck.
I don't really have to baby my camera and worry about it falling or stretching or anything like that because it has a protection case. I always actually have it on. I hardly take it out. So this is the protection case and this is the camera without the case. So it actually looks tinier. Let's see. This is the mic. It actually looks much smaller.
I think it's not my luck. I think I'm probably not supposed to join the gym. The pool doesn't open in winter. It only opens in summer. That's what's up. But this place actually looks very good. Let me show you guys.
Yeah, so you just don't have to worry about that. I also don't want any mistakes with this. So I just always have my camera.
I don't have any other plans. Maybe I'll go get pizza.
There we go. So on the Mime app, you can literally just see what your camera is currently filming, and everything poses from the vision dock. So you can't really use this at the same time. There's a new fireware update. I wonder what it is, but I'll check it out later. In the bus, on my way to I'm not sure if I'm gonna get pizza or what.
各位乘客，陈家窑新村到了。请上车的乘客扶好，坐稳。下一站。
These kids were busy fidgeting with my hair and they noticed that I noticed that. And before they got off, given this, I just put it on my bag because I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Narki. What is a narki in English? But anyways, I took it Pella because they're kids. Because at first I was like, no, and that's like, no, it's okay. Yeah, I'll jump off just now.
One thing I like about this camera is the magnetic mount. But with the spoon, this is the camera. I just stick it. Obviously, the spoon is a bit, it's not as strong, but you just stick it on anything metal, and then it's.
So I'm downtown now, and I'm heading to that restaurant. This camera, like it's showing everything. I'm going to try a hamburger, I've decided. With the pizza, I actually liked it, but there's something that I didn't like about it. One thing about filming in public, I'm gonna stare at you, but also firstly, I'm black, I'm African. They're like, who is this now?
And then you just walk around with it. So do you see how wow, yeah, that's how strong it is. Just in there, and then you can just film as you walk. I'll show you the clip just now. Just check out this clip.
I'm driving. Whenever I pass this place, I'm like, Remember where I saw this restaurant, but I know it was somewhere here. I hope it's still here. It hasn't closed down. Oh, Rich Burger. There we go. We found it. About the place. Is it nice? I don't like this glass thing. It looks so scary. Okay, let's walk here. Also what? It smells like real burger. Hello. It's so sharp. Hello. Do you speak English? Chicago. Mexican beef spicy. Special Hong Kong style leg. Juicy leg king burger. Peanut butter. I trust that one. Low calorie egg burger. Place my order. And I'm just waiting here. People just passed and asked me if the hamburger here is nice. I guess they trust my judgment. I don't know. Sorry. No tomato.
请不要放任何西红柿。
I think they think I'm from America, and I definitely am not. I'm not. Before I dig in the camera, I first dig in. Now it's time to try this out. I don't even know where to put you guys. Okay, let's try this out together. The fries look just normal. They said American what, so I thought it's just normal fries. The weird thing is that everyone who made this food is still in here. So now my facial expressions can't be weird. Let's try the hamburger. It's a double burger. They said it's spicy. Ooh, camera is shutting down. It's quite good. It actually is rich. Yeah? Very good, very nice, very demure. Ngisho sebengijontshile. I just had the best hamburger. This was indeed, or is indeed, the best hamburger in town. Okay, so now I'm always here. You guys probably notice that. I'm always here. I just want coffee, but I'm so lazy to be non-sleepy. I forgot where Starbucks is. Is it this side? There's a truck. Oh my god! Okay, this is my OOTD. I have my bag here. I'm not sure if people are looking at me. Are they? They're not. Are you guys looking at me? You guys are not, right? I'm just vlogging. I'm just a girl. Oh no! This couple just went so that they don't disturb my camera moment. I'm done. This is actually the restaurant I normally go to, the Full House. Ooh. I feel like buying like something cute. The thing is, I've just had this burger, but I think I might just be hungry. Okay, so let's go on to the next part. Hello. As the lyrics. The lyrics go like this. Oh, sengivele ngakufela ngicala ukubona inhliziyo yashaya mawolololo. Vele ngabona umshado namalobolo. Hawololo. The anxiety of the social anxiety is afraid of me. I put my camera. Tonight, we gonna talk about all the things that I always know me loving you. Saba. Oh, good, you see, Lengo. Hangity vase. Hey, Malacoste. Yes, I'm too shy for that. I wonder what in Ganjena. I think I want this chocolate muffin. It looks so good. What is this? Classic tiramisu. Tira? Decaf. Do they have decaf here? I wonder. This is decaf? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Velvet. Okay, I'll take it. You see?
Yes.
Coconut velvet?
Yes.
Okay. And the chocolate muffin?
Chocolate muffin. Okay.
I just want to check if there's space up there. Let me go and check. This chair is a bit uncomfortable. People are hiding here. I think I'll just sit here. Yeah, I think that burger, honestly, I'd give it like a 20 out of 10. It was too nice. Thank you. Now I'm having my coffee. This is what I'm having. I'm having the coconut latte. It's not nice. It's not nice. I honestly don't like it. And then I'm gonna have my muffin with a fork and knife. We're in H&M. Oh, this looks so nice and warm. When I see a black model, I am going to don't think about me, girl. Ooh, I think I like this. 34. I don't think this one's gonna fit me. bazokutshela randomly ukuthi ama-date ashintshile. They run the world. Because they don't believe ukuthi umuntu omnyama can.
This didn't come in the box, but I added a screen protector to the Vision Dock because I honestly don't want no mistake. So I actually bought it before buying the camera. That's the girl that I think I am. So yeah, you guys, I do hope that you enjoy this vlog. I will be posting more content about using this camera, of me using this camera, just vlogging a daily life, you know, because I feel like it's quite good. It's nice and small. You don't really have to worry about carrying a big bag with the camera. And what I like about the DJI Osmo Nano is that it's not just a camera. It's the ecosystem. It's every accessory makes filming in public easier. You know, it's faster, it's less awkward. You don't really have to worry, oh, are people looking at me? But I sort of kind of did, just because, you know, people are gonna look at me, you know. This is perfect for daily use, and in my next video I'm testing this camera in the swimming pool. They said they did mention that it is water resistant, so I just want to take it under the water and see how it does. So stay tuned, and I do hope that you subscribe, like, and comment down below if you were thinking of getting this camera. Tell me how my color grading went. Just tell me what you thought about the video in general. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on my next one.